It's the hat. It's good luck.
Yeah, that's what I'll tell.
Is that a Deej hat?
It is.
Very nice. Where's yours?
Good there.
All right.
Not a big one, but it's a fish.
Yeah.
Break the ice. Good smoker. Good eater. The wiggle fin got the first one. There you go. Oh! Look, he puked up a kokanee and you guys got the kokanee on the hook. Look at that, 2 for 1. Look at that, John. Fish, you puked up a kokanee.
Oh,
Can you believe that?
That was pretty wild. A fish right there, grab it, Ron. Quick snap. Okay, now just reel down tight. Steve, turn that outer black housing, or button. See the green button? Twist that outer black housing right on top. The other way.
The other way.
There you go. Is he there? Uh-oh. Something's not right. Well, it feels like there's nothing. Oh, did it break?
Was it still not hooked up to the
Oh,
downrigger?
he busted it off. Son of a gun. Fish broke it.
Huh?
That's good.
I think it's still running, I'm not sure.
Don't.